Are you aware of this?
Yes, sir.
So are you okay? You are switching from development to kind of testing role.
Yeah, yeah, sir. I'm comfortable on this role.
Okay. Tell me about the pagination, how the pagination is like working in your organization.
Yeah, yeah. Pagination, sir, is nothing like we want to use like we are so many times we are some pages we can see like there is counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So like I want to see the five number of client in my page. So there I have uses some pagination like I have uses in my control layer. There I have uses some method. After that I will write the business logic inside the service layer. So with the help us we can use the pagination like some pages I want to see in the single page, we can say. After that we will see the second page, and after that we can see some page in third page that time.
Okay, I got it. What is the use of pagination? Why everyone using pagination in their project? Is there why you are using pagination in your project? Is
Yeah,
there
yeah.
any yeah?
Sir, most I have worked on the pagination because sir, there in my project there was like 100 types and 1,000 types of client is present in my project, and we can say like 10,000 client in my project present in my project. So I can't I will not see all client in my single pages. That's why I am using the pagination, and there I can also use it the filter like I want to see client whose name is starting V, and who's from the Bhopal and Delhi. So we can like we can also use the filter also. So that's the most one of the right reason, we can say.
But you can use filter in a thousand layer, thousand client.
Mm-hmm.
If you are using filter in 10 client, what is the difference if you are using filter in thousand and 1 million or 1 billion? So what is the difference? Is there any difference if you are using filter in 10 entities or thousand entities or 1 million?
Yes, like we can. I am saying like we have a like million client in my project. Like I am working marketing application. So there was we can say there are was a million client. So but like we want to search only Bhopal clients. So we will use some filter
No,
and.
no, no. Just wait. If you are not, if user is not searching about the Bhopal filter, then
Mhm.
what?
So there was all client will show, but not all client. There like only 15 client we can see in the one page. After that, the second page we can also see in the
So
15.
that's the question. Like,
Mhm.
why you fetch only 15? Why
No, no,
not
no, sir.
all?
In my project, there was no any limited. See, we want to use only. I am not using. I can't say. So I want to use only 15. It's depend also on the client. How many worker he want to see. Like I want to see only 10, so I can also can see 10.
So if user say that I want to show million, then you will show million in single go.
No, no, sir. There
So
is also
why
limit because I have not I have not write the code for million, so I can't see the million.
is there any code for difference between million or 10? What is the code difference? Is there any
Yeah,
code
yes. I
difference?
have also some demo dummy project for pagination I have worked. So can I show you? I can
No, no, it's okay. Okay, tell me the backend processing. Why we are using pagination in backend? Like why you are we are not returning data like 1 million rows to UI and UI can handle by himself that they want to show 50 on one page, then 50 on another page, then 100 on another page. Why not this? Why you are handling in backend? What is why we are using pagination in backend? Like I want to know about the backend processing. Why we are using pagination? Like why we are not fetching 1 million data in a single go? Is there any concern about this? What do you think? Why we are not fetching?
1 million. That's in the one single page. So so many load in. We can see single page will take so many load for 1 million pages. We can say And sir, I have not an try for this for 1 million. And we can say like we want to see the 10 and 15, so we can easily we can find. And 1 million, and it is also depend on speed, we can say. And processing will not
What
provide
is
a
speed?
good our project. That's why we can't use a million.
Okay, you have worked in SQL, correct?
Sorry, sir.
You have worked in SQL, right?
Yeah, yeah.
MySQL.
Yes, sir.
Right now you are using MySQL database in your current organization, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, just let me introduce the one question. Okay, I'm in pasting in a meet chat. Okay,
Okay.
so there is a table which has column A, which is column A, B, and C. Okay,
Okay.
great, got it. And let's say a million rows in there in your table. Okay, the column name is B, A, B, and C, and let's say one column is ID. Cool.
Okay.
Okay, so there are some queries which are like in a million, let's say anyone querying about the, you can say the thousand query and coming on this data. Okay, so let's say some query searching about A, like searching about A, like they want data who's querying on column A, correct? Let's say the uh, query which are coming on A, let's say 1,000. Okay,
Okay.
uh, some query is about like which is querying on column A and B both. Okay, and this, let's say these are 20,000. Cool. And some query, let's say coming on A, some query, let's say coming on A, C, B, and A, and these are, let's say, 10,000. Okay, so what is the indexing you will use in this type of things? What are the indexing you will use?
Uh, so are you sending me on chat box?
Okay, you're not able to see. Okay, great, great,
Just
great.
a minute. ID ABC searching about A thousand AB 20,000 CBA 10,000. Okay. Uh, so can you once again repeat the question?
Okay, okay. I will repeat in a simpler way. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a table whose a column ID A, column B, column C. This is the name of columns. Okay. So let's say a million of data there in the table. Okay. Let's
Hmm.
say million of rows. Okay. So let's say in UI, like user querying, like I want to data, I want that type of data. Like say select star from table where A is equal to this. Okay. These type of query you say about 10,000. Okay.
Hmm.
These type of query occurring 10,000 times. Okay. Again, some people querying about A and B. Some people like select star from where A equal to this and B equal to this. Correct. The
Hmm.
number of queries is around 20,000. Okay. First is 10,000, another is 20,000. Some some people querying about that select star from table where C equal to this and B equal to this and A equal to this. Okay. And these type of queries are 10,000. So are you thinking about we can do indexing in this, and if you are we doing indexing in this kind of data, so what do you think, which index you will use?
Okay.
Are you aware of indexing? First tell me, are you aware of indexing?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Cool.
Sir, firstly we will create the index, and and after that index name and table name also.
No, I'm not.
After that,
I'm not. I'm not thinking about the. I'm not talking about the syntax, the creation of index. I don't want to know. I don't. I want to know how many indexes you will create in your table, and what are the name of indexes in your in this table.
okay. So so sir, I want to write a query, or I want to only give the explanation for it.
So just explain it. Like, what is the approach? How many indexes you will create? And
So we can use cases
like what?
when column name is A, then 1000, and when column name like B, so 10, then 20,000, and when column name is like CBA, so that then 10,000,
Can you
and else
explain this
zero.
statement?
Sorry,
Can you explain this statement again? Like, what are you talking about?
can I write, sir, on that in the chat
No,
box?
let's tell me something about the indexing. Why we are create index in a table or in a database?
Because sir, we want to searching about like A equal to 10,000 and AB equal to 20,000. So that's why.
No, it's not the number. It's about the number of queries.
Okay, number of queries. Number of queries. So like that type.
Okay. Now you get it or not?
Uh, Create index first. After that, and sir, we can create the index name on table. Sorry, sir. I am some confusion.
Cool, cool.
Here.
Okay, cool. Okay, you're not able to get. Okay, okay, cool. Um. Okay, one more question. Are you comfortable in that algorithm and data set, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is a array, zero one array. Okay, you have to sort this array.
I want to sort this array. Okay. So I
No,
want to write the
just
code.
leave. No, just leave it. Okay. This is the question. Okay, you have to count the. Uh, I'm changing this question. Okay.
Okay, okay.
This is zero one sorted array. Okay.
Zero one sorted error. Okay, yeah.
You have to count the number of ones in this array.
Okay. So I want to write code now, sir. So can I use ID like
No, no,
IntelliJ?
no. Just first explain like what are you thinking. Then you can write. Okay.
Okay. So sir, firstly we will store in the array, and after that I will make a array object also, and I will storing the there is how many array? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So there I will provide the array length, and array start with the index 0.
No,
So
no. What is the concept? What is the logic? What is the logic you are using?
Mhm.
I'm talking about the logic. What do you think? What logic? It is perfect for this one.
I will use while loop. No, 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 no. I can use also binary search after.
Binary search.
Yeah.
Why you can use binary search?
Because sir, I want to count like one. How many time it is it like there is four times. So binary search will convert to two parts. We can say after that it will
If you use only binary search, what is the benefit?
uh, time complexity will less than we can say.
What is the time complexity for binary search?
Binary search kind from big O of n log
What
n.
is the log n or n?
Just a minute for binary search. Log n, sir. Log
Log
n.
n.
Yeah.
Write code for the this one. This
Yeah.
write code.
Yeah. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, I am able to see.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Run for this output. Does they run for this input? Oh, you are using two return. Just remove one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, got it. It's correct, correct. Okay, if it's written off if. Okay.
Maybe I will write inside the outside. I think if there is one written is for if and second one is for.
No, it's okay. It's nothing wrong.
But output is not right. Just a minute. Result and result is zero. Is it minus one? My result is low. Plus I don't know. My ID is one.
They try in debug mode.
Debug mode. Okay.
Like debug point. Why you are not adding any debug point in code? You
Yeah.
are running in debug mode.
Manager to nine. So can I use different logic?
What is the logic? Just tell me.
Currently, I am what I am doing. Different. I will do. There, I am
No,
using
no.
binary search, sir.
Okay, here you use one. What is the alternate logic? What is
Sir,
alternate?
we
Tell
can
me.
use for loop, sir.
What is the complexity for loop?
For loop, maybe it is also log and time.
Login. Okay, cool. I got it. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, okay, that's it from our side. Any question?
Mm, sir, which part I should improve myself?
Uh, if you are asking about the personal opinion, then I think you have to work on more. Like what can I say? Like coding part maybe I can say, and you have to go deep in your project kind of a structure, like what's happening inside the project, what are they using, why they are using.
Mhm.
That's the main part you have to work on, and just focus on the deep learning kind of structure. What's like it's not the you can go like देखा और निकल लिए बाहर से राइट.
Yes.
थोड़ा अंदर जाके देखो क्या चलता है कोड में राइट.
Okay.
दैट्स इट यार. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
No, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
थैंक्स
Will
यार
improve
थैंक्स यार.
myself, sir. Thank you.